everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode on our YouTube channel RescoliByCarlo. A lot of you have asked us what whites do we have as Frenchic Furniture Paint. So what we did today, we prepared this board here and we will be discussing each white we have here. So today is a Q&A, and you will see all the white colors that there are in stock. So let's start. From the original range, there are two colors available, which are these two here. So we have Ivory Tower, which is a proper ivory color, and here we have Virgin. This color, they are both white, but one is a little bit creamy and the other one has a tint, a very light tint of gray. So what is the difference between these two and the next one? This is Dazzle Me, which is a very bright white, and the difference is that this is self-sealing and these two need wax or finishing coat to seal afterwards, because basically these are from the original artisan range. But they are still available. They are really lovely colors and you can mix and paint accordingly, and also depending on the style you want to create. In this case, for example, if it's ivory or the Virgin, they are like some off-whites that you can use for French style furniture that you would want to create, but leaving the undertone white. Now this is Dazzle Me. Dazzle Me is very, very, very white, which is basically the whitest from all the ranges. Here next to it there is Wedding Cake. Here it might look a little bit creamy, but it's less creamy than Ivory Tower that I showed you just now, but it's still a proper white, just a little bit of an off-white. And next to Dazzle Me, it makes all the difference. That's because Dazzle Me, as I already said, is a very brilliant white. Next to it is a proper white, which is Whitey White. So here you can see also the difference between the two colors. These are from the laser range, both Wedding Cake and Whitey White, so you don't need to seal afterwards because they are wax infused. And also remember that Dazzle Me comes in the Alfresco range, which is also good for outside. And then finally we have the Whiter Than White. And the Whiter Than White, if you can see it like this, is very white. This is from the wall paint and trim paint. It is very white, competing with Dazzle Me in that case. And just a small reminder that the chalk wall paint can be used also on furniture. And this, basically, the Whiter Than White, you don't need to seal afterwards if you use on furniture, because it is cleanable and scrubbable as well, especially on walls. So basically you can use it as a favorite color of yours, together with all wall paint colors we have and all the trim paints that accompany them. So you have all this selection of whites here. I'll show you close-ups of these colors for you to understand better all the shades of all these whites, and you can come visit us on this channel, ask us questions underneath. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are thrilled to see lots of you following us. That gives us a little courage to continue our journey. Thank you very much. See you next time. Ta-ta. Q&A today is called the Frenchic Whites. Online about the Frenchic Furniture Paints